Hi, and welcome to our look at the upcoming Thursday, January 8th trading session. In front of you, I have the economic calendar, and by far the most important thing that we're looking at is the Bank of England interest rate decision, purchase facility, and monetary policy statement. That being the case, we're not expecting anything to change in the decision, but the statement will be parsed. So, expect quite a bit of action in the British pound, possibly, as well as the FTSE. Looking at the FTSE, you can see that we've had a slightly positive session during the day on Wednesday, but we pulled back a little bit from 64.50. I think a lot of this is going to come down to not really being able to be as confident as possible due to the fact that the interest rate decision and the monetary policy statement comes out. That being the case, though, if we get above the top of the range at 64.50, we are buyers of calls, as we think the market will almost certainly bounce from there. You can see in the meantime the British pound continues to fall and looks like it's heading down to the 150 level. It's an area we've been targeting. Short-term rallies could be selling opportunities, in other words buying puts. On the other hand, though, once we get down to 150, that is massive support. So we could see a reversal. Any type of supportive candle close to that handle we think is an opportunity to buy short-term calls on a bounce that is without a doubt needed. Silver markets look a little perky during the session, using 16.5 as support as we fell below it, but then turned back around to bounce and form a hammer. That hammer suggests that we are going to head to 17, so a break at the top of the hammer might be a call buying opportunity, but we think that's short-term in nature. It's really not until we get above 17.5 up here that we are willing to buy calls with any kind of time attached to them. Break at the bottom of the hammer could send this market down to 15.50, offering a put buying opportunity. And with that, we've taken a look at the upcoming Thursday, January 8th trading session.